Hello everybody, I have here the Samsung Galaxy M21 and I want to make a quick review. Let's start with what it's included. So we have some menus, but just some quick start guides. So not so many. So just how you insert a SIM card and so on, and how you charge the phone and so on. So we have charging, also power charging adapter, which one supports fast charging, a pin to remove the SIM tray, and as well a USB Type-C cable. So important, USB Type-C cable. So this phone have already Android 10 as operating system, and let's have a look on the display. So as you can see already here, we have a notch display. So the notch is here for the camera, for the front camera, and the size of the display is 6.4 inches. So you can have this phone in black, blue or green. So I have here the green version that you can have a look already. This is how it looks like. So whatever color you have, the display is always the same. So here at the sides the frame is always black, and at the back you can choose your color if you want to have black, blue, or in my case here green. So, and as you can see as well, we have a fingerprint sensor also on the back to unlock the phone. And yeah, let's come to the CPU. The CPU is of course an Octa-Core CPU with 4 times 2.3 GHz and 4 times 2.17 GHz. So it is fast enough to work on several games and so on. So about the storage, there are two versions. So we have a 64 GB version with 4 GB of RAM, and we have another version with 128 GB, and it has then 6 GB of RAM. So what is very nice on the phone, that you have the opportunity to insert 2 SIM cards next to a microSD card to extend the internal memory. By the way, this supports up to 256 GB if you want to extend it with a microSD card. And of course you can, as I said, insert 2 SIM cards if you want. Okay, let's come to the camera. So we had already the front cam here with 20 MPs, which one supports full HD videos with HDR, by the way, what is very nice. And yeah, on the back we have the main cam, the rear cam with 48 MP, what is very nice. We have an ultra wide cam with 8 MP. This is very nice for group pictures. I will show you in the next step. And also a 5 MP depth cam. So let me show you what I mean with the group pictures of the ultra wide cam. This is the regular cam with 40 MP, which one is very nice, by the way. And if you want to make group pictures, you can just here tap on that symbol and you have the ultra wide cam. And as you can see, you have another angle and can make better group pictures. So very nice. And the rear cam supports also 4K videos, also with HDR. And yeah, if it's a bit too dark, you have an LED flash here. Yeah, and of course this phone supports 4G, Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, it has a built-in FM radio, what is very nice, by the way. And yeah, for the connections, we have the USB Type-C, and what is also very nice and not usual, we have a 3.5 audio jack, so you can use regular headphones. But as we have seen, there's no headphone included, but you can use your regular headphones. So what about the prices? So in Europe actually it's at 220 euro. So it's round about. In America I don't know when it's coming out or if it's coming out, because normally the A series is the budget series there. If it comes out, it will be around $250. Okay, what is very, very nice in the phone, what makes it also special, is the battery, because this phone have a 6000 milliampere battery, which one supports also fast charging, by the way. It gives a lot of stamina, so you can work, if you use your phone regularly, you can work 2 days with, or if you put some other modes like the dark mode I will show you now, then you can work also 3 or 4 days. So let me show you what I mean with dark mode. So if you scroll down here, scroll down a second time, you have here the opportunity on the second page to put the dark mode. And that means that you turn the screen into black. And the very good on that screen is that it's an OLED, an AMOLED screen. So it means if it's dark, it doesn't need energy anymore. So the basic screen will be the same, but all things which one are able to turn it into black, like here the Google bar, will be black. Same as the menu, no? Or the settings, you will have it in black, and that saves a lot of energy. And of course you can make also screenshots. Maybe if you see a nice picture on a website or something like this, you can capture it if you're using the power button and the volume down button, and you will make a screenshot, a picture of the screen. After you can share it directly or edit it. You can do the same also with the edge of your palm. So if you swipe it across the screen, you will make also a capture, and you can edit here, as I said, directly after. Maybe if you want to crop a part, like a picture on a website, as I said, and go here and save. And it's part of the gallery. And one more thing at the camera, it supports also Bixby Vision, what has a very nice point, because it also detect some stuff. But let me show you it on more. Then let's go here on Bixby Vision, and it makes also live translation. I have here a German book, and it now auto detect the language and translate the book, so what you can recognize in English. So very nice. And maybe if you're in a restaurant or something like this at your holidays, and you want to translate the card, it is possible now. And also books or something like this in another language is very easy now. So just put your phone on it. It gives you a live translation. Very nice. And as well, of course, it has QR code reader. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, then you feel the QR code reader, and you can check here the QR codes, and it gives you a live translation. So thank you so much for watching Phones and More. And if I go now here on this arrow, it guides me directly to Samsung Notes, and I can copy it directly here. So thank you so much for watching Phones and More. I hope I could give you a good impression for the phone. Yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me thumbs up, because that would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. Yeah, or maybe at the next time. Ciao.